This is just a reminder that Blackboard has everything you need, and it should be really easy for you to access the course. I tried to get a screenshot, but I'm sure you can get to Blackboard on your own. I'm having a little trouble with this. Please look at the assignments button. You'll notice on each module there is a due date, and it's in red, and all of your modules are due on Friday at 11:59 p.m., whatever date it says. So you do have the weekend before instead of the weekend at the end when you submit them. Important also to look at the late policy. My late policy is only listed on announcements, so you need to click the announcement button. You can see that right away from the first day of class. In addition, be sure to make use of the grades button, because that's where you find out your grades. I will be giving you a heads up through an announcement every time I'm done grading a module, which should be very soon after they're submitted. So you'll know by looking at your grades how many points you got on all those assignments in that module. And then you'll be able to calculate what your grade is as you go along if you divide by the number of points available in the class and how many you have so far. So please let me know if you have any trouble calculating your grade as you go along. I'm glad to help you with that. And let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.